What's up, YouTube? I'm here with another video, and I'm driving today with my mom. We're going to a little seminar thing, so enjoy the drive, and yeah.
The way the game is supposed to go. See, I'm trying to explain to you that you going to financial smart system, you may be going to the hood somewhere. I know, and when I say the hood, I mean like off of, I'm just trying to make sure you're going to the right place. That's it. Let me make sure.
Starting route to Smart Financial Center.
See? What? 7:33. Oh, so you taking the long ride? Okay, cause mine says 7:30. See? Yeah.
What?
It was supposed to. You were supposed to go. I'm just trying to say.
At the light, use the right 2 lane.
I'm gonna just turn mine off. Hey,
Oh, Ma, you can't be screaming in my ear like that.
I don't know where you going, son. We just right here. It's like a bat out of hell for no reason. Oh my God. I don't understand what's going on.
You're dramatic.
No, it's like
You are so dramatic.
No, it's like
You are so dramatic.
like why? Speed limit. Oh my God. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. I'm catching up.
Stop being dramatic.
No. You driving 88 on a 65 is
We're
dramatic.
right here.
55. You're driving 88
Nobody's
on a 55.
in front of me.
You don't know. They could. Come on, Tyler. I'm not gonna play these games
I'm
with you.
driving very safely. I'm in the
like, hey.
position I'm in with them G's because I've been styled and profiled. That's why.
Hey, let me go fast for no reason. Go fast nowhere.
Oh.
I'm taking an Uber back. I'm disgusted. I'm disgusted.
You're not taking an Uber back, Mom.
No, I'm so disgusted right now. It's like this is what
This
you're
isn't
doing.
even the fact. Like, I'm not even pressing the gas like that.
This is what you're doing when I'm not in the car. You sneaking and driving fast. Yes, you are. You telling me you not driving fast, Tyler, but you drive fast. Yes, you do. It's pissing me off.
Sneak and drive my car.
I'm not gonna play with you no more. I'm not playing with you no more. Just get me to where I need to go, and I'm gonna Uber myself back. Body and your car every time you get up in here. This is ridiculous.
Do I need to get on?
Don't say nothing when I hide them keys. Don't say nothing to me.
What?
No, since you want to drive like this, it's 55 miles per hour.
I'm going 65. I'm allowed to go 10 over.
Where's that in the rule book, Tyler?
That's in the driving test. That's at driving school.
Show me that in the rule book.
That's at driving
45
school.
right now, Tyler. Do you not know we in Popo land?
I just saw
you wouldn't
Popo.
know that.
I do know
Because
that.
you wet behind the ears. 45,
What does that even mean?
Don't worry about it, but let me tell you this much. Over this bridge is where they be sneaking at. You don't know that much? If it's 45 miles per hour, don't you think you should be going 45?
No, I
You
don't.
just want to push it to the first turn. It did tell us to go straight
No,
at first.
it told me to go left.
No, it told us to go straight. You was just veered the other way. It had to adjust you.
It's all on camera.
Well, I got evidence in my head too. I got evidence too. Jesus Christ. Look at that police officer right there waiting on somebody. Just waiting. You never shit where you sleep at. You know what that means? Look at. Why the car sound like it just shot somebody? What is you? How you doing that? We right here by some somebody. Why? Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I'm telling. I'm telling. I'm telling. I'm telling. I'm telling. I'm telling. I'm telling somebody. I'm telling. Can I tell? I'm hiding the keys. You've been doing this. You in these people area. You don't think. For what, Tyler? For what? For what, Tyler? Stop.
I'm not going that fast. It's just pretty loud.
I'm not doing this no more.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this no more. FYI, this is embarrassing.
This is embarrassing.
There's nothing cool about this. Oh my gosh. And you got buttons. Why you want to do this while I'm in the car though? Why?
You wanted to ride.
Because, Tyler, I didn't know you was going to do all this.
I told you I was going to record.
It doesn't matter. Oh my gosh.
I didn't even do anything. What? I didn't even do anything. I didn't even do anything. Oh man, what a traffic jam, huh?
Just trying to calm myself down at this point.
Nothing happened. Nothing crazy happened.
No, it didn't. Thank you, Jesus. But why do you have to do it like that? Like,
The car's just
oh,
loud.
we're good because nothing happened.
The car's
No.
just loud. You can't be saying. You can't
didn't
be
say
saying
nothing.
my name. Come on.
I don't know that. I didn't know we was in some type of secret recording session. You didn't tell me that. Private eye and all that type of stuff.
There at 7:30 exactly.
That's fine. As long as we get there.
You like the stars?
They alright.
Yeah.
I like it. It's given at the night stars. It's given Jupiter and Mars, Pluto, all those other places. Right?
Yeah. I do it every time.
For what though? You saw a black person and you felt
He
it-
wasn't black, for one. And that's just asserting my dominance as a Mopar owner.
That was stupid.
That was not stupid. At most, what he's gonna do, rev his engine back, ma. He not gonna do no harm to us.
But why you even gotta go all the way to that extreme?
That's
and say that,
us
though?
talking. That's
He don't
your
know
caliber
this.
range.
Look at the man. Look at the man in the suit, man. He trying to get. You saw him. You saw
Yes,
him.
I saw
He was
him.
like this.
Yes, I saw him in the suit.
Man, just trying to get to the smart financial suit. That's it. That's all he trying to do.
What we trying to do?
That's what we trying to do.
Okay.
Hey, it is what it is. I'm just trying to get there in peace. I don't want no drama with nobody.
Nobody. We not gonna have no drama.
I just want peace, love,
I can guarantee.
happiness,
I can
success
guarantee
all
it.
around us, happiness.
If anything, we get a supporter that come by and say, "Ooh, I like your car."
It's for a, ooh, I like your car.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Golly.
Yeah, pretty much.
God damn.
Yeah.
What have I done?
Whenever the little high schooler come up to the car and be like, "Oh my gosh, I love your car.
you feel
This is
like-
my dream car." I made it. That's good enough for me today. That's good enough. After that, I ain't got to do nothing that day.
So you feel like you made somebody's day. That's what make you feel good.
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess
that's
it
what's up.
does. I guess that's how you explain it. So.
Man,
I'm not too familiar with his work, but
Well, it's actually Jordan B. Peterson.
Jordan B.
Dr.
Peterson.
Jordan.
So I can call him
B.
Pete
Peterson.
Johnson in the video.
I just called him Pete Johnson. I just gave him my name for myself.
Oh, let me get over. Wow, that's how we doing?
Okay. Well, he didn't want to let you over. That's fine. Try to get in the
I hope y'all enjoyed that interaction with me and my mama. It's kind of like every day what we go through. It's funny. So glad I got it on camera today or that day. The storage. So that was the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you. And like, comment, subscribe.